Selling to move? Worried about finding a new home? Consider newly built options. Inventory is booming, with 31% of available homes being brand new, compared to the usual 12%. This surge means more choices and potentially lower costs. New homes offer modern features, warranties, and less maintenance. Plus, some builders offer mortgage rate buy-downs to ease affordability concerns. Partner with a local real estate agent to navigate the buying process and explore this exciting opportunity. Discuss your options with Linda.elisca from Kingdom Group eXp Realty today. Give her a call at 2392279252.